we got a little bit of pork tenderloin.
I love pork tenderloin.
And this is quick and easy and fast. This is called the silver skin, and you want to remove that silver skin because it gets a little bit tough.
Is there a difference between the silver skin and the fat, or is it just all fat?
Well, fat renders, and
Okay.
you'll get flavor out of it and basting out of the fat. But this stuff, the silver skin, is tough, tough, tough. And it doesn't matter how long you cook it, it'll always be tough.
So that needs to
And
come
so
off.
that needs to come off.
Is there an easy way to get that off, or you just got to?
Yeah, it's called circumcision. You can ask your butcher to do it, and really you just put the tip of the knife. You don't really want to take any of the meat off of it, all right?
Right.
We're leaving a little bit of the fat
Yeah,
on.
yeah.
And
That's
we're
just
gonna,
for flavor.
We're going to butterfly it.
And you massage that at all, or just?
You're going to rub it down, and you're just
Okay.
flattening it so that it's uniform.
Mm-hmm.
If you wanted, you could put it between some parchment paper or plastic wrap, and you could pound it out
Pound it
to
out.
flatten it. If you pound it too thin, what's going to happen is that you're going to just dry it out when it hits
Yep.
the hot grill.
Yep, yep.
So this is what we do now is we're going to call it, this is scruffing. So you want to go all the way across. You don't want to go deep.
This allows the meat to absorb some spices that you're going to put on, or?
Right, you get all that? We're going to flip it over, flash it. You don't have to go deep. It's just to open it up a bit. We're going to make this one a little bit spicy. This is just sriracha hot sauce.
Yep.
And you rub that in.
You can
All
see
right.
how it's getting in those little nooks and crannies.
Great. Put some rubber gloves on when you do this,
Yeah, because
because you're going to go touch something,
touch
like
your
your eye,
eye,
your nose,
or
or
worse.
worse.
Yeah.
You,
Yep,
you
yep,
could
yep.
even use a little ranch dressing or Dijon
Right.
mustard or any
Yeah,
flavors you
I like
want.
Dijon
okay?
mustard.
It's open book. So we're going to take some of my hot and spicy bone dust. We're just going to sprinkle that on
That's
all the way. Now you do the other side. The rub. That's my neighbor's fucking dog. It never shuts up. We're going to take a little bit of olive oil. Rub that in.
what's that for, Ted? Just
Help things from sticking to the grill. Fat's flavor. And so to help give a little bit extra flavor to that meat.
yeah, makes sense.
We've got this. We want to get this nice and hot. So let's take this out so you can see.
And the
It's
coals
up.
they can get too hot too, right, Ted?
Well, they come to a peak and then they settle in. You know, if you go 6 inches above, how long can you hold your hand there? And if you can hold it for 5 seconds, it's a nice heat. If you can hold it for 3 seconds, it's a really great heat. This is 1, 2, 3. It's hot,
Okay.
right? So,
We're ready to rock and roll.
All right, so you're gonna take that pork tenderloin. See, we got that logs on
Yep.
fire. Pour a little bit of this Mike Weir beer. How is that beer anyway?
It's really nice, crisp, like really crisp, clean, nice. I like it. Nice finish. Good beer after a run or a workout or just thirsty.
Yeah, like we're running all over the place.
Yeah.
When did
I
you
was
last
thinking,
go
I was
for
thinking
a
about
jog?
my son, really.
We've got it on. It's high. Let's just watch what's going on.
Okay.
All these little nooks and crannies.
Yep.
So you get crispy bits. So
Yep,
when you bite
yep.
into it, you're going to get a little bit of texture. All right. This works great on flank steak as well.
You can see the juices now starting to bubble too.
Yeah, coming along. Coming
Nice,
along.
nice.
Right. Now we're going to make a little sauce. We're going to take a little bit of sweet Thai chili sauce.
Yep.
A couple of tablespoons of rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar. Yep.
Okay. And that's about 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili. And then you're going to do about 2 tablespoons worth of soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to get some fresh cilantro here and some parsley and a little bit of dill. Any combination you want. Fresh herbs are a great flavor booster. And you can reduce your sodium and then a little extra love from our friend Sriracha. Mix it up. Coming over to the grill. It's that easy. Flip over, give it a little glaze.
That looks nice.
This is almost done. That's how fast it is. You can do a couple of different things here. You can leave it just on top of the grill and be patient, let it cook.
Yep.
If you want to be a little impatient, you can move it off to the side, close the lid. Might buy you an extra couple minutes while you set the table and do other things.
Yeah.
So keeping a cool zone on your grill is an important aspect of grilling. So you've got some place to move it if your fire gets out of control or
yeah.
you got too much going on.
You got to fail safe.
And you got a spot to go out,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
And the other thing, Kevin, is get yourself a digital thermometer. You want to go in from the side and into the thickest part and look at your internal temperature. We're at 145 there. That's like just perfect. Okay, give it a flip there, quick. Hit this side with a little of that saucy goodness.
I happen to know that this pork tenderloin shit is like almost like a superfood. The grams of protein per ounce are like through the roof.
You know what I know about it? It's damn tasty.
Tastes good.
That's what I know. You can cut it into 4 equal steaks if you want
Yep.
to share it. I'm not a guy for slicing all the meat up and leaving it on the cutting board
Yep.
because it all gets cold
Yep.
and it loses
Yeah,
its
cold.
moisture. So just eat what's on the edge. Look at
Can't
that.
have it get cold.
That's moist and juicy.
That's delicious.
And you don't want to go like super well done on this. It'll be
No.
dry and tough. You want to go for that 135 to 150 range.
That's what we're talking about right there. And the finish is a nice little kick.
Brings you back in, slaps you again a little. Gives
Yeah,
you a tickle.
exactly. That's a good one.
And
Slaps
that's
you back.
all. So
Really good, Ted.
really tasty.
Really juicy.
Yeah. You want some more?
Yeah, please.
Enjoy your pork tenderloin. I'm Ted Reeder. This is my buddy Kevin. We're just trying to keep it easy in the backyard and have a tasty time. Cheers.
Good luck.